In this video, I'll show you how to buy Ethereum on Binance. If you find this video helpful, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we get started, this video is for informational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing I say is financial or investment advice. Always do your own research before investing in anything, especially something as risky as crypto. So first thing you're going to do is open up and log into your Binance account. If you don't already have a Binance account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description that will get you $100 in trading fee rebates. After you've logged into your account, I'm actually going to show you a few ways that you can buy Ethereum on Binance. The first way is definitely the easiest. You're going to go right over here to the top right hand corner and tap on add funds or deposit. From here, we're going to select the first option, which is buy with USD. Once you're on this page, you'll notice right here it might have a different currency such as USD for you. You can just simply tap on this arrow, select whatever currency is local to you, such as Canadian. If you're Canadian, if you're in India, you can simply search the Indian rupee. If you're in Europe, you can select the euro. For this example, I'll stick with the euro. Right here next to the euro, we're going to enter the amount of euro we want to spend on our Ethereum. For example, if I want to spend 80 euros on Ethereum, I'll just enter 80. And right here where it says buy, we're going to tap on this arrow and we're going to select Ethereum from the list. If you don't see it on the list, you can simply search for it in the search bar up top. Tap on Ethereum, and right here where it says pay with, we're going to tap on this arrow and select our payment method. These are the payment methods that come up for me. If you have an account with any of those that show up for you, you can simply sign in and use that. I'm going to select Visa MasterCard and tap on confirm. I'm going to go right over here and tap on add new card. Right here, I'm going to enter in my card information, tap on confirm the transaction on the next page, and that's the first way on how to buy Ethereum on Binance. Another way to buy Ethereum on Binance is by simply going back to the home page and tapping on this trade icon right down here. From here, we're going to tap on the spot. And right here where it says BTC USDT, we're going to tap on that arrow and we're going to select Ethereum. This is going to come up with a few different options. For this example, I'm going to select Ethereum USDT. If you already have USDT in your account, you're just going to tap right here. Make sure buy is selected. We can leave it at limit, or you can select a market order. Basically, a market order just means you're going to buy Ethereum at the current price. With a limit order, you can kind of pick what you want to buy Ethereum at. So right here, I'm going to enter the amount of USDT that I want to pay for my Ethereum. For example, if I want to buy $50 worth of Ethereum, I'll just enter in 50, tap on buy Ethereum, confirm the transaction, and that's the second way on how to buy Ethereum on Binance. Another way you can buy Ethereum on Binance is if you already have another asset in your account, we're going to go right over here again to the trade section. And right here, we're going to select the convert option. And for this example, if I wanted to convert my SOL into Ethereum, I would just select whatever asset you have in your account. You just go right here, select the asset you want to convert into Ethereum. For this example, I'm going to stick with Solana and I want to convert it to Ethereum. So I'll tap right here next to BTC and I'm going to select Ethereum out of the list. If it's not showing up for you, you can simply search for it in the search bar, tap on Ethereum, enter the amount of SOL that you want to convert into Ethereum, tap on preview, confirm the transaction, and that's how to buy Ethereum on Binance. If you found this video helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel.